Paano kung palay na lumapit? Kung palay yung lumapit, ang ibig sabihin lang yun, napakagulo talaga yung mundo. Walang palay ang lumalapit sa ibon. Ang ibon dapat lumalapit sa palay. Just kick her out of your miserable life. That's true, Sir M. That's true, Sir M. Yes, Ali, you just need to kick her out of your life because it makes you miserable life, that woman. Cyber, but am in her life, but I am in her life. It's your problem. Why are you going to give me problem here? You don't want her to you don't want want to go. You don't want to ano ba yan? Alam mo, maghanap ka nga ng ibang kausap mo. Beg, galingan mo, bes. Sinusunod nila ang advice mo. Gagi, hirap na nga ako maka 3-star. Tapos pinapahirapan niyo pa ako dito. Tang-inex na yan. Be, galingan mo, be. Sinusunod nila advice mo. Gagi, kahit ako nga. No, she want to marry me, but I want GF too. No, she want to marry me, but I want GF too. You only want GF, but she want to marry you. Oh, you are a lucky guy because she want you to marry. But you know, it's impossible. It's impossible that that woman will marry you because no one woman get married to guy. She said, choice GF or wife. She said, tang-inex na yan, English na yan. She said, choice GF or wife. Choose, hindi choice. Ano ba itong kausap ko? Alien yata eh. Humihingi ka lang ng advice na napagalitan ka. Tanginang Smith, may red tide pa ako ngayon. Binibigyan mo naman ako ng sakit na ulo about sa mga ano na yan. She said, choose GF or wife. You know, Ali G, I think you don't need to tell her. Just leave, okay? So that you don't have headache. So that you don't get headache on your head. All you need to do is to leave. Leave her alone. If I marry my GF, she become my wife. Yes, you nailed it. Maybe that woman cannot understand you. She want you to be his husband. Even you didn't even know her in person. Yazi. Uy, ano ba yan? Ang gusto ko lang naman maka 4-star ako ngayon. Ba't pinapahirapan niyo ako mag-isip? Sana yun mga nag-ask ng advice after masagot ng host, magbayad kayo professional fee. That's true. Yes, hi Yazi. Oo nga guys, when you ask me about your problems, you should have to give me also fee. Because, you know, if you go to the, if you are sick, just like if you are sick, if you go to the doctor, you need some advice to the doctor. And then after that, the doctor giving you an advice, some medicine, you should pay a doctor fee just like me. Where is my talent fee here? Where is my fee for that? Sakura, Bembang girl. No, if you marry your GF, she become your GF. Tanginags na yan. Wife no fun, GF fun 24/7. Wife no fun, GF fun 24/7. Okay, you know, Ali, it's up to you. It's your decision. It's up to you if you want to be his only, if you want to be her, not to be wife. Consultation. Where is my consultation fee? I need that. Paano kung isang kabang bigas na lumalapit? Kabang bigas na lumalapit? Kung kabang bigas ang lumalapit, kanino siya lalapit? Bi, yung mga tanong nyo, Bi, ayusin nyo naman, Bi. Naguguluhan ako, B. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung isasagot ko. Be, di na kinayang ng wifi. Gusto na din niya sumuko. Naglalag ako? Naglalag? Yes. Will you take a check? Take a check? Take a check of what? Why should I take a check? Ha? You should give me a fee. Where is my advice fee? You need to pay